to all. What we heard learn in the previous class, we have learned the composition of air. Okay, so different types of air present in the atmosphere. Okay ma, so today we have learned that air is present all around us. Okay, air around us. Okay, and then now I am asking some questions. Name that important gases are present in the air. What are the important gases are present in the air? Nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide and water vapor. Okay, what is the use of carbon dioxide? That carbon dioxide is necessary for plants to perform photosynthesis in the process of producing food using sunlight. Okay, with the help of sunlight. This is the use of carbon dioxide. Plants take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. So human beings take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. That carbon dioxide take plants and prepare their own food. Air has many components. That mainly that mixture of gases are present in the atmosphere is mainly present in the nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide and water vapor. So this composed in the different quantity. For example, mainly composed of nitrogen and followed by oxygen, and then carbon dioxide, all other gases are present in small quantity in the Earth's atmosphere. Next one, today we are going to learn about air around us. Air is present all around us. Already you know very well. Air is present all around us. We cannot see, smell and taste air. If anybody taste the air, you can see the air? No, but we can feel it. Okay, when it moves, we can feel it. For example, the trees sway and leaves rustle. So that is we can feel air is present. Can you clear? And then when we look around, we can see different things that tell us air is present. For example, switch on the fan, that fan is spinning and that is called that air is present. We can feel it. We can feel the air, but we cannot see, taste, smell. Okay, and then next we can learn importance of air. What are the importance of air? And then first, plants and animals and human beings need to air breathe. So they breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. First point, animals and human beings need air for breathing. Air for breathing, they breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Okay, that first point, importance of air. Air is very, very important. We cannot live survival without air. So that is very, very important one. Animals and human beings need air for breathing, and they breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Already you know, நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம், breathe பண்ணும்போது oxygen உள்ள எடுத்துட்டு carbon dioxide release பண்றோம். Okay, and then second point, that carbon dioxide is very, very important for plants. Okay, carbon dioxide is very, very important for plants. Plants take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen during photosynthesis. Okay, that food preparing time. Daytime plants take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen for preparing their food, own food. Taking carbon dioxide give out oxygen during photosynthesis. During the process of photosynthesis. Okay, first point what? Animals and human beings need air for breathing. They breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Plants take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen during the process of photosynthesis. And then nitrogen is released when animals and human beings die or decay. So animals so human beings நம்மள இறந்துட்டோம்னா நம்மளோட பாடிஸ் வந்து என்ன செய்யும் மண்ணில் மக்கி போயிடும். ஸோ அதில் இருந்து nitrogen வந்து release ஆகுது. So that nitrogen and then some bacteria are present in the soil taking nitrogen from the atmosphere and then convert into nitrogen containing substances. So these substances are used by plants. Okay, so nitrogen cannot used directly by plants and animals. So some bacteria in the soil taking nitrogen in the atmosphere and then is convert into nitrogen containing substances. These nitrogen containing substances is used by plants. Plants வந்து அந்த nitrogen containing substance எடுத்து ஒரு fertility soil க்கு அது ஒரு fertile இருக்கும். நல்ல ஒரு good quality ஆன soil இருக்கும். So nitrogen is used for plants. Nitrogen is released nitrogen is released when plants and animals die or decay. Used to plants. Nitrogen is used to plants. And then next one. The tires of cycle, car, scooter, other vehicles, car, bus and lorry and all other vehicles need to filled with air. Okay, that cycle tire, you can touch the cycle tire inside, that air is present. All vehicles, scooter, car, bike, lorry, all other vehicles that need to be air is filled with air. Okay, so it's important for vehicles. The tires of cycle, bike, car, scooter, and all other vehicles need to be filled with air. And the next one is moving air is called wind. Okay, it helps us dry clouds and flying kites. Okay, it helps to dry clouds and flying kites. And then air moves to the clouds move. Okay, air helps to clouds move. And then that wind also helps to sailboat, and then wind turbines and gliders also move. Okay, wind helps to move the wind turbines and gliders, and then sailboats is they are all used to move the wind. And then air it's necessary for all living organisms. Moving air is called wind. Already you know moving air is called wind. Wind, it helps us dry clouds, and flying kites. பட்டம் பறக்கிறதுக்குலாம் என்ன வேணும்? air is important. துணி காய போட்டோம்னா துணி வந்து ஈஸியா ட்ரை ஆகுது. இட்ஸ் யூஸ் ஃபார் ஏர். அண்ட் தென் பட்டம் கைட்ஸ் வந்து ஃப்ளை பண்ணனும், அதுக்கு என்ன வேணும்? தட் ஏர் இஸ் வெரி வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் ஒன். அண்ட் தென் winds helps to sailboat, sailboats and wind turbines. Do you know wind turbines? Wind turbines and gliders. That parachute மாதிரி இருக்குல்ல, so அதெல்லாம் fly பண்றதுக்கு wind is necessary. Okay, wind turbines, windmill. Can you see windmill? So windmill பார்த்திருக்கீங்களா? ஆரல்வாய் மொழி, that நாகர்கோவில் regions windmill is more. Okay, so இது என்ன பண்ணுனா விண்ட் காற்று மூலமாக சுற்றிட்டு அதிலிருந்து ஒரு எனர்ஜியை சப்ளை பண்ணும். அது வாட்டராக இருக்கலாம், இல்லை எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டியாக இருக்கலாம். ஸோ விண்ட்மில் இஸ் சப்ளை தி எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டி. அண்ட் தென் கிளைடர்ஸ், தட் பேராஷூட், இதெல்லாம் என்னவாகும்? விண்டு மூலமாக தான் ஈஸியாக ஃப்ளை ஆகும். அண்ட் தென் செயில்போட் ஆல்சோ, செயில்போட்டு கடலில் போட் எப்படி இதாகும்? ஏர் மூலமாக தான். அதில் ஒரு துடுப்பு மாதிரி வச்சுருப்பாங்க, அதுதான் என்ன செய்யும்? ஏரோட டைரக்ஷனை ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணி ஈஸியாக அந்த செயில்போட் வந்து மூவ் ஆகுறதுக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணும். ஸோ வாட் ஆர் த இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ் ஆஃப் ஏர்? First one, the plants and animals need air for breathing. They breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. And then plants take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen during the process of photosynthesis. Okay, photosynthesis is carbon dioxide, very very important one. And then nitrogen is released when plants and animals எல்லாம் இறந்து மண்ணோட மண்ணா மக்கும் போது அதுல இருந்து some bacteria are taking nitrogen. So the nitrogen என்னவாகுது? It's used to plants. Okay, and then the tires of cycle, bike, car, scooter and all other vehicles filled with air. டயர் குள்ள ஏர் இருந்தால் தான் வெஹிக்கிள் வந்து என்னவாகும்? ஈஸியாக ரோல் ஆகும், ரோட்டில் வந்து ஈஸியாக மூவ் பண்ண முடியும். அண்ட் தென் மூவிங் ஏர் இஸ் கால்டு விண்ட். அண்ட் தென் இட் ஹெல்ப்ஸ் அஸ் ட்ரை கிளாத்ஸ். நம்ம துணியை துவைச்சி காய போடுறோம், ஸோ அது எப்படி ஈஸியாக ட்ரை ஆகுது? ஏர் மூலமாக. ஏர் நம்ம ட்ரெஸ்ஸில் உள்ள ஈரம், அந்த ஈரம் எல்லாம் எதில் ஆகுது? வாட்டர் வேப்பராக வெட் ஆகி கன்வெர்ட் ஆகுது. ஸோ தேட் ஆல்சோ யூஸ் டு ஏர். அண்ட் தென் ஃப்ளையிங் கைட்ஸ், பட்டம் பறக்க விடுறதுக்கும் kite is very very important one. And then wind helps to sailboats, wind turbines and gliders. Okay, and another one importance, that oxygen is present in the air. It's help for burning. Okay, already the composition of air lesson we got learned. Okay, that oxygen is necessary for burning. The oxygen is present in the air. Oxygen is present in the air. It helps for breathing. It This helps burning. Okay, if sometimes the things cannot burn, so that place no oxygen is there. Okay, so oxygen is used for burning. That present oxygen is present in the air, it helps burning. Okay, these are all the importance of air. Once again I repeat, what are the importance of air? Animals and human beings need air for breathing. They breathe in air, they breathe in oxygen and breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Plants take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen during the process of photosynthesis. Plants வந்து food prepare பண்ற டைம்ல oxygen release பண்ணிட்டு carbon dioxide எடுத்துக்கும். So that is that survival of earth in the same, that carbon dioxide and oxygen is same amount, sustainable amount in the earth atmosphere. And then nitrogen is released when plants and animals die or decay. இதெல்லாம் அழிஞ்சு போறப்போ அதுல இருந்து நைட்ரஜன் ரிலீஸ் ஆகுது. So already we know some bacteria and fungi are present in the soil. So that died animals and plants, they are all release the nitrogen, and then this nitrogen is used to helps for plants. Okay, grow for plants, is used to plants grow. Plants grow. Already you know, so nitrogen in the last lesson, that nitrogen containing substances are taken is used to make the soil fertile. நம்ம soil என்னவாகும், ஒரு நல்ல உரத்தன்மை, நல்ல சத்தான ஒரு soil கன்வெர்ட் பண்றதுக்கு இருக்கு. So nitrogen, the soil, already the soil is good condition, so that plants are grow well. So this is the nitrogen is used for plants to grow. And then the tires of cycle, all vehicles, cycle, bike, car, scooter and all other vehicles is need to be filled with air. Okay, எல்லா வெஹிக்கிள்ல உள்ள டயர்லமே உள்ள என்ன இருக்கணும், ஏர் இருந்தால் தான் they are all move easily. And then moving air is called wind. It helps us dry clothes. That moving air helps us dry clothes and flying kites. Next one, wind helps to sailboat. நம்ம கடல்ல உள்ள போட் மூவ் ஆகுறதுக்கும் அண்ட் விண்ட் மில் மூவ் ஆகுறதுக்கு, அப்புறம் பேராஷூட், இந்த மாதிரி கிளைடர்ஸ்லாம் ஈஸியாக மூவ் ஆகுறதுக்கும். ஸோ wind is very very important one. And then the oxygen is present in the air is used for burning. It's a very very important one, that oxygen is present in the air is used for burning. Next, let us learn that properties of air. Let us learn about properties of air. Let us learn about the properties of air. First one, air occupies space. Air occupies space. First we take two balloons. Okay, the same size of balloons, take two balloons and blow into one. Now compare both the balloons. Okay, first I take two balloons. Now compare both the balloons. Okay, this is the both balloons are same. Are they the same size? Are they the same size? No. Okay, the balloon into which we blew air, so it's bigger than the other one. Okay, so நான் blow பண்ண balloonல blow பண்ண air வந்து எப்படி இருக்குது, இந்த இதுல inside the balloon air is present. Okay, this is no. So which one is bigger? So this is bigger. So this proves that air occupies space. Can you clear? First we take two balloons. Now compare both the balloons. Okay, first take two balloons and compare both the balloons. Next one balloon I can blow air into, and then are they the same size? No. Which balloon? The balloon is into which blew air is filled with air. So this is a bigger one. So air occupies space. இந்த பலூனுக்குள்ள ஏர் போய் ஒரு இடத்தை பிடிச்சிருக்குது. ஸோ அதனால தான் அந்த பலூன் எப்படி இருக்குது, பெருசா விரிஞ்சிருக்குது. So this proves air occupies space. Can you clear? Okay. And then next one, air moves. Air moves. After a few minutes, Now I will spray the room freshener. I will spray the room freshener. Okay. Now I can feel it. I can feel it all around the room. This fragrance smell. Okay. All around the room I can feel the fragrance smell. So this proves that air moves. Air moves and carries the fragrance smell. Fragrance means what? That is a pleasant smell. Fragrance means pleasant smell. After a few minutes spraying a room freshener, I can smell it all around the room. Okay, this proves air moves. நான் ஸ்ப்ரே பண்ண அந்த ரூம் ஃப்ரெஷ்னர் வந்து இந்த ரூம் ஃபுல்லுமே ஸ்மெல்லாக இருக்குது. ஏன்னா so air moves that carries the fragrance all around the room. Okay, this air occupies space. And the next one, next properties of air. Air has weight. Air ku weight unda? Yes, air has weight. Now take two balloons of the same size. Take two balloons of the same size and blow air into one. Okay, and blow air into one, and then tie the end of the balloon in a ruler. I don't have ruler, so today I bring the hanger. Okay, I use this hanger. Listen, and then first blow take two balloons and blow air into one, and then tie them at end of a balloon in the hanger, and then after that you will listen that which balloon is filled with air, so that side tilt downwards to the balloon is filled with air. So this proves that air has weight, that showing that air is heavier. Okay, this proves air has weight. Just listen. Now listen. This one balloon I have filled with air, and then another one empty balloon. Now which side is tilted? Which side is tilted downwards? This side is tilted downwards because of this balloon is filled with air. Inside the balloon air is present, so this side is tilted downwards. Here no air inside the balloon, so this is a lightest one. Okay, showing this is it is a heavier. Okay, இதை compare பண்ணும்போது இது எப்படி இருக்குது? கொஞ்சம் heavier இருக்குது. So this proves air has weight. Okay, this experiment proves that air has weight. So these are all the properties of air. What are the properties of air? First one, air occupies space. Air occupies space. Take two balloons and blow air into one. Now compare both the balloons. Which balloon is, are they the same size? Both balloons are same size? No. The balloon into which blew you air is bigger than the other one. Okay. So this proves air occupies space. ஒரு balloon சின்னதா இருக்கும் ஏனா அதுக்குள்ள air இருக்க balloon வந்து பெருசா இருக்கும். So that is occupies the space. அது கொஞ்சம் இடத்தை occupy பண்ணிக்குது. And then next one, air moves. After a few minutes I can spray the room freshener. I can smell it all around the room. Okay, smell room freshener fresh பண்ணிட்டு within minute என்னது கொஞ்ச நேரத்துல எல்லா இடமும் நல்ல ஒரு fragrance smell கிடைச்சிச்சு. This proves air moves and then air carries the fragrance with it. Air carries the fragrance with it. And then next one, air has weight. Next one what ma? Air has weight. So that also take two balloons and one balloon you can blow air into one balloon and other one and another one, the both balloons you tie them in the end of the hanger and then you will notice that balloon that is one side of the roller is tilted downwards. Because of that side that air is filled the balloon. So air is present inside the balloon. So this experiment proves that air has weight. Okay. So which side is the balloon? The tilted side, the tilted downwards this side is heavier. This showing that is heavier. So this proves that air has weight. Can you clear what we learn in today? We learn that importance of air and then properties of air. What are the importance of air? Plants and animals need air for breathing. Okay, so animals and human beings take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. At the same thing, plants take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen during the preparation of food, photosynthesis. And then next one, moving air is called wind, and all the vehicles are filled, vehicle tires are filled with air, and then sailboats move, gliders move, and then windmill move. These are all that importance of air. Air is important to all these activities, that windmill, glider, sailboat, and then drying clothes, flying kites, and then burning. Oxygen is present in the air, it helps for burning. So these are all the importance of air. Okay, and then next let us learn the air occupies space. Properties of air. Okay, properties of air. Air occupies space, air moves, air has weight. Can you clear ma? Yes. Remaining topic we will see next class. Thank you.